Welcome back into Talking Fitchburg on a nice Monday here. Really nice out today. A little bit cooler, but now the trees will change like no tomorrow with the cooler weather. So fall is in full swing, and we're transitioning here now to your construction update, which hopefully all these construction projects will be wrapping up soon for the holiday season. We start with Verona Road. Let's get right to it. Verona Road, stuff just keeps going in the Fitchburg area.
It goes.
All right, take a peek. Number one.
All right, Verona Road from Verona Road, underpass north of Raymond Road. Nightly single-lane closures scheduled on Verona Road, northbound and southbound within these limits here. 8 p.m. To 5 a.m. Monday night through Friday morning, and then 8 p.m. to 10 a.m. Friday night to Saturday morning. Access to and from Verona Road at Carriage Street is permanently closed. I had to emphasize those there, as they were in the text. Continuing on with the same area, access changes are in effect at Verona Road and Chalet Gardens Road, so access to and from southbound Verona Road at Chalet Gardens Road is permanently closed. Only right turns are allowed to and from Verona Road northbound at Chalet Gardens Road. Alternate local routes are required to access businesses and residences. And note, this intersection will be permanently closed later this fall. More information will be provided in advance of that. And that is that.
Yeah, we'll tell you right on the show. I guarantee it.
I guarantee it.
All right, County PD between Verona Road and Spoke Drive. Nightly single lane closure scheduled on County PD westbound and eastbound at Verona Road intersection. They consist between 8 p.m. and 5 a.m. Monday through Friday morning. And on Friday nights, you got 8 p.m. to 10 a.m. Saturday morning. So slow down, especially during this night construction as it's dark out, and you just might not see some of those vehicles or workers in the area.
All right, and then this one that we touched on in the headlines, just coming back here again, Anton Drive and Carriage Street intersection here. Anton Drive will be closed at Carriage Street west of Verona Road in Fitchburg starting Monday morning, that's today, and opens late Wednesday. Alternate local routes are required to access businesses and residences. Crews are to install water main facilities as part of the Verona Road reconstruction project, and the closure dates, of course, are weather dependent and subject to change. That's it.
If you want to find out any more information, you can hit up the Wisconsin DOT's website. They've got it for you right there. Projects 511. Find Verona Road. Or we've got the Verona Road Business Coalition, where they've got great tips on how to get around the construction, deals with the affected businesses in there, and much, much more. All right, switching over to diddly-do. Switching to Lacy Road construction update. It's pretty
standard
simple.
stuff.
Standard stuff. All weather dependent, as we said before. So your upcoming work here, you've got placement of topsoil, landscaping, seeding, and placement of erosion mats. Planting of trees, placement of signs, electrical, and then you got miscellaneous punch list items that are being worked on throughout the project area. We anticipate the roadway opening in a couple of weeks, so keep that in mind. Roadway will be opening in a couple of weeks. Additional work is expected to occur after the road is open to the public, so please continue to be aware of crews and workers on the street.
Traffic.
Darn it, traffic.
Traffic update. Okay, here we go again. I'm just going to remind everybody here. This should go without saying, but here we go. Do not move. Traffic control drums, barricades, signs, etc. People are witnessing many folks getting out of their cars and moving these items. Please stop. Contractors have the right of way there. Please slow down in the construction zone. Speeds have increased, making it dangerous for traffic and workers. So again, slow down. And they're saying please, so they're being pretty polite about it. So you should do that. And also, please give construction traffic plenty of room. Remember to stay back at least 100 feet. They're doing all kinds of maneuvers and things, and it's hard for them to see you. So please stop moving things around. Please go a little slower. Keep your phones down and give them some room to work, ladies and gentlemen.
I am just blown away by this, Preston, that
who is it?
The speeds that are through there now since it's been paved. There's signs right there when you come into that tell you to slow down. So you gotta be with that. Please slow down.
Please.
Slow down. Slow down. Yes. All right. Let's take a quick break. Coming up next, we're gonna preview this year's 2017 Burby Derby. It's right here on Talking Fitchburg.